Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ciara Michelle, and let's just jump straight into this tutorial. First, you're going to need an eyebrow pencil, an eyebrow brush or spoolie brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, a makeup sponge, and a foundation. All these products are going to be linked below in my description box. Now, first, as I'm applying my makeup and applying my eyebrow, I just want to let you guys know that this part of the tutorial, I'm just going to speed through it. I'm showing you guys what I'm going to do. On my next second half of this video, I'm actually showing you guys step by step in real time what I'm actually doing. So if you want to fast forward to that part, I'm going to leave everything in the description so you can know the time code. So starting off, you definitely want to trace the bottom of your eyebrow to establish that shape and that form. So now you're going to repeat that step just using the top of your eyebrow. You want to trace the top of your eyebrow to the very ends meet at the end of your eyebrow. Now, this is not a step 1, step 2 type of video. This is really depending on how you want your brows to look. I like mine to look dark and full. So I actually fill in my eyebrow as I'm drawing my bottom line and my top line. I fill in my eyebrows so everything can look even in one tone. So right now, I'm just focused on filling in my eyebrow and making sure that it's even all across my eyebrow. I'm not focused on fading the front just yet. So now I'm just going to be blending my eyebrows fronts using an eyebrow brush or a spoolie brush. This really helps that so your eyebrows don't look really blunt and just sharp. It makes it look more natural and more of an ombre effect. I like this shape. I know some people like blunt eyebrows. I don't like that. I don't need a permanent marker as my eyebrow. I'm not trying to do that. To achieve your ideal shape, you're going to continuously have to draw little hairs with your eyebrow pencil and blend it with your eyebrow brush to get your ideal shape. Now, mine is a very kind of lengthy process. Yours may just be one and done. I'm gonna just blend the beginning of my eyebrow and call it the day. But I really didn't even go into detail on this because you can do it so many type of ways. Now, some people like using a concealer to some people like using a concealer to shape their eyebrows, but I found that using a foundation color that I wear actually makes it look more natural to me. And I'm going for a more natural beat today. Now, when you want to look like an IG baddie, you want to do some over-the-top stuff. But today we're going to do a little natural beat. Got the natural eyelashes. We're going for naturalista. Final step, use your beauty sponge to blend in that foundation. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And oh, hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.